Hey everybody, Sci-Fi Modeler here. Okay, so by request of one of my subscribers, and also I never showed you guys my end product. I'm going to give you here a view of my Space 1999 22-inch MPC model with VIP pod and with aftermarket interior by, was it Century Castings, British company. So I used the extended decals on this, as you can see, and they came out really nice. The extended decals, the weathering kit, I mean, that's like, you can go crazy. I mean, I thought there were way too many panels, so I just sort of, put what I felt was prudent on the spine and around, the whole ship in general. The cockpit I did fully, and there's just so many ones that say put them wherever you want, on the pod, on the roof, or whatever. So I did some, and then I had leftovers for the next one. All right, so what I did was I built the interior, and I'll put this in the camera here so you can see better. I built the interior, and my wife, who's into arts and crafts, she gave me the splendid idea of getting a clear piece of styrene so you can have view of the interior. And also, I didn't glue these roof sections in. I just put a little tack so you can open it up and see the inside. And when I drilled the holes for this, because obviously the clear part didn't have the holes in them. The clear styrene was a little bit thinner than the standard one, and the standard piece that comes with the pod kit. Here's a standard piece here. So what I did was I lined up the holes, obviously, and then I had to drill further into the kit, further into the pod itself, so that I could have enough threads to go in there to hold it in place. Okay. So basically, as you can see, my VIP pod has a whole way. Let me see if I light this up. Let me get more. There we go. So you got the whole way, okay, and Eagle 3. Don't know if you can see that or not, guys. Doing the best I can with the lighting. You've got the rack for the spacesuits. You got the door, and you got the walkway, the ramp. You got the computer console. And you got some seating. And we got the rear door with decal number 3, Eagle 3. So that's what it looks like. I mean, I could have done better. I had wanted to maybe put a moon buggy in these sections here, because that's where supposedly the moon buggies go, but I didn't have time to do that. Also, I came with 2 figures. I didn't have time to finish painting those either, but I think this came out pretty decent. You got the decals showing the screen there, and I filled in some sections. I don't remember if I said this the last time. I filled in some odd sections here that didn't quite fit right with styrene tubes, and filled it with putty just to fill out the void. And I used putty to fill in the voids between the ramp and this part, around the 4 corners. In retrospect, I could have probably used some crazy glue and some baking soda. That would have been probably easier. But anyway, so that's what it looks like. Painted the walls, although I didn't need to paint that wall because I ended up using the computer screen here, or the computer panel. And heard one of my pieces drop out before. So if I turn it around, you'll see something missing. Let's see what's missing. Oh yeah, one of the landing pads is missing. So that's okay. That's on the floor. It rolled away. I didn't permanently glue those. But I think it came out pretty decent. This is my first full build. I've got a second one right there, waiting for my pod to be finished and my capsule. So that one's going to be finished pretty soon, and I'll be off to my third one. Actually, I'm going to build one of the 14-inch ones next. But that's what's happening. So here you have the final condition of my VIP pod. And, you know, just as you go through these and you build more and more, you figure out what you could do better for the next one. So each one hopefully gets better and better. But this one I'm pretty proud of. I think that this one, as my first major model, I think it came out okay. Took a while to do, but anyway. All right, guys. Until next time.